Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Sir Said, and for this video we are going to discuss the quarter 1 week 5 of grade 8 mathematics, and that focuses about the rectangular coordinate system. Okay? Yan yung magiging main topic natin for this video. Now, before we proceed to the main topic, let's have first a short review ng mga important concept sa ating rectangular coordinate system. One there is the number line. Ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng number line? So pag sinabi nating number line, students, that is a line whose midpoint is 0. Okay? And from the midpoint, papunta sa right side are all positive integers. Okay? And from the midpoint, papuntang left side are all negative integers. So as what you can see, this is the number line. Let's proceed with our main topic for this video, that is rectangular coordinate plane. Ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng rectangular coordinate plane? It composed of two number lines. That is horizontal and a vertical number line. So yung horizontal tsaka vertical number line. That is of course perpendicular to each other. Diba? Dapat naka 90 degrees. And other term for rectangular coordinate plane is Cartesian plane. So this is the rectangular coordinate plane. Okay? Let's proceed with the next one. Ano nga ba yung makikita natin sa rectangular coordinate plane? Sabi ko kanina, we have the horizontal line, number line, and the vertical number line. Okay? Yung tawag sa horizontal is the x-axis. Ang tawag sa horizontal or yung nakahigang number line is the x-axis, or other term for that is the axis of abscissa. Okay? And of course, yung tawag naman sa nakatayong number line or the vertical number line is the y-axis or axis of ordinate. Let's proceed with the next one. The next part is what you call the origin. Okay? Of course, we have vertical and horizontal. Now, yung vertical line, yung y-axis tsaka x-axis, they have a point of intersection. Okay? That means nagmi-meet up sila in one point. And ang tawag sa one point na yon is what you call the origin. Okay? The point where the x and y-axis in the rectangular coordinate plane intersect. That is what you call the origin. Or in number line, that is 0. Okay? That's where they meet up. Next, let's proceed with the quadrants. Anong tawag natin sa quadrant? As what you can see, sa ating number line or sa ating rectangular coordinate plane, it divides our plane into 4 regions, right? For example, we have a Cartesian plane here, or rectangular coordinate plane. Same lang yun ha, students. Other term for rectangular coordinate plane is Cartesian plane. Now, sa Cartesian plane natin, yung space is divided into 4 regions. Okay? Yung sa upper right side is quadrant 1, upper left side is quadrant 2, lower left side is quadrant 3, and lower right side is what you call quadrant 4. Okay? Just take note of that parts because later on we will use that sa ating application. Next, let's proceed with the one of the most important key points. Each point on the rectangular coordinate plane is represented by coordinates x and y, called an ordered pair x, y. Okay? So pag sinabi nating ordered pair, it composed of one x element. Okay? That means meron tayong x na element. Okay? As what you can see here, that is 1x, tsaka merong 1 na y. Okay? Yan yung ordered pair natin. Now, take note students, dapat naka-parentheses yan ha, and separated by comma. Kasi pag walang ganyan, that is not ordered pair. Okay? Just be careful of that, especially to some math teachers, strict pagdating sa ganyan. Okay? Now, let's erase muna, or erase natin muna to. Let's proceed. Let's have here an example. So what if you are going to plot the point 3, 1 on the rectangular coordinate plane and identify in which quadrant it is located? So our point is 3, 1, students. Okay? Our point is 3, 1. let me ask you this. Ano yung x sa 3 and 1? Tandaan nyo yung ordered pair natin is in the form x, y. So therefore, ano yung nauna dito? That is x. So we can say or we can conclude na yung x dito is positive 3. Right? Since pangalawa dito yung y, therefore yung y dito is positive 1. How to plot this one? That is how we plot the coordinate system. Again, paano to? Since x yung nauna, we should count or we should plot first yung x. Okay? And as what we have discussed earlier, yung x is yung nakahigang line. Okay? Yung origin is 0 yung value dyan. So, ilan yung value ng x? 3. Positive or negative? Positive. Therefore, we have to go to the right side. We have to count 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay? However, we do not stop here. Hindi dito nag-stop yung pag-plot natin kasi meron pa tayong y. Okay? Tandaan nyo yung y is 1. So, from 3, okay, sa x, we have to move 1 unit. Saan? Up or down? Ano yung sign ng y? Positive 1. Since positive, we have to go upwards. So there you have it. That is the plot. That is the point 3, 1. Okay? And take note of this, students. I'm just going to write it down na lang. Sa quadrant 1, as what you can see, it is located on the quadrant 1, right? So basically, pag sinabi natin quadrant 1, yung x is positive, yung y is also positive. Okay? Sa quadrant 2 naman, ditong part ng quadrant 2, yung x positive, negative. Since x ito, so we have negative. So since y ito sa taas, that is positive, right? So be careful of the sign, okay? Now, sa quadrant 3, ano yung mga sign ng x and y natin? So x natin is negative, so that would be negative. Next is yung y is negative, so negative, okay? Next, sa quadrant 4 naman, yung x natin dito is positive, yung y natin dito is negative. Okay? Now, let me ask you this. What if you are asked to identify where is negative, lang muna. So, where is negative or where does negative 1, negative 2 located? Saan sila malolocate? So, we have here negative 1. Of course, yung x muna. Yung x muna natin is yung negative 1. Yung y natin is negative 2. So, since x natin is negative 1, so we have to move to the left, right here. Okay? Since y natin is negative 2, we have to move down kay negative. So, it's right there. And where is it located? It's on quadrant 3 because our x and y are both negative, negative. Okay? So that's how you identify the quadrants, and at the same time, that's how you plot the points. Okay? Let's proceed with the next one. So we have here another example. What ordered pairs describe the given point on the rectangular coordinate plane shown below? So students, again, if we can recap lang natin, sa ordered pair natin, una always is x. So we have to count for the x first. So that is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So therefore, our x is negative 3. However, nandito yung point natin, and saan siya sa y? That is positive 4. So therefore, our point is at negative 3, positive 4. So ayan na. By looking at the point on the given figure, we see that it is aligned with negative 3 on the x-axis and positive 4 on the y-axis. Hence, the plotted point corresponds to negative 3, positive 4. Okay? So that's how. Be careful, students, ha. Always dapat mauuna yung negative 3. Or always mauuna yung x. Always pangalawa yung y. Take note of that one. Next is, of course, for this video, let's have an activity, right? So, number 1, plot the point for negative 3 on a rectangular coordinate plane and determine the quadrant where it is located. Number 2 is determine the points of the following point on the Cartesian coordinate plane. It's right here. Okay? So in this part, students, I would like you, if you've reached this part of the video, I would like you to put your answer on the comment section below. Okay? On the comment section below, or you can send it to me through Messenger or through, yeah, you can PM me naman. Right? And of course, um, yeah, that's how we are going to do this activity. Okay, next is let's have a total recap na. Okay, so first discussion, rectangular coordinate plane, one vertical and one horizontal number lines perpendicular to each other, also called Cartesian coordinate plane. Yung x-axis naman is yung horizontal number line or yung nakahiga. That is the axis of abscissa. Yung y-axis naman is yung vertical o yung nakatayong number line, and that is the axis of ordinate. Okay? And lastly, yung origin, wherein yung point of intersection ng x tsaka y. Yung point na wherein nagmi-meet yung horizontal tsaka yung vertical line. Okay? Yung quadrants naman is yung four regions na dinivide ng x and y axis. Kuha? So overall, that's our topic for this video. For my next video, I will discuss the applications of the rectangular coordinate system. Okay, that's it lang muna for today, students. God bless everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe na rin, right? Share to your classmates. Bye!